Hello and welcome to Baby Trend. I'm Mia, and today I'll be showing you how to install the CV89, otherwise known as the Cover Me, in forward-facing mode using your vehicle's lap and shoulder belt. Before starting, make sure you have your car seat manual and your vehicle manual on hand in case you need to reference it at any point during this video. Ensure your vehicle is on leveled ground. Your car seat should be installed on rear seats whenever possible. Your child must fit the following requirements in order to use this car seat in a front-facing position. Weight, 30 to 65 pounds. Height, 50 inches. And age is 2 years old. First, check that the latch system is stored in its designated area. Remove the head pillow and body insert and store it for future use. Place the car seat in the designated vehicle location in one of the forward-facing positions. Forward-facing positions include 4 and 5. Never use base positions 1, 2, or 3 in forward-facing position. Detach the top tether and place it on the headrest. Lift the seat back fabric to expose the forward-facing belt path. Pull out as much of the seatbelt webbing as possible, ensuring you have plenty of webbing to work with. Locate the forward-facing belt path. Thread the seatbelt through the forward-facing belt path. Insert the seatbelt buckle tongue into the receiving end. Pull up on the buckle to ensure it's secured. The seatbelt webbing should lie flat with no twists. Return the seat back fabric to its original position. Press down on the car seat while simultaneously pulling on the seatbelt in order to remove all slack. Test for movement in the car seat at the forward-facing belt path. The car seat should not move more than 1 inch. If there is more than 1 inch of movement, repeat the tightening process until there is no more than 1 inch of movement. If your vehicle is not equipped with a lockable retractor seatbelt, you must use a locking clip. To acquire an approved locking clip, contact us at Baby Trend with the number listed on your manual. To install the locking clip, maintain downward pressure on the car seat while holding on to the tightened lap and shoulder webbing together just above the buckle to prevent it from moving. Unbuckle the seatbelt, being careful to prevent movement on the webbing. Insert the locking clip, securing both the lap webbing and the shoulder webbing together. The locking clip should sit half an inch from the buckle. Insert the seatbelt buckle tongue into the receiving end. Pull up on the buckle to ensure it's secured. Refer to your vehicle's manual in order to locate your vehicle's tether anchor. If available, attach the top tether to your vehicle's tether anchor. Ensure the tether hooks and locks onto your vehicle's tether anchor. Pull on the free end of the top tether strap until the slack is removed from the top tether. Test for movement in the car seat at the forward-facing belt path. The car seat should not move more than 1 inch. If there is more than 1 inch of movement, repeat the tightening process until there is no more than 1 inch of movement. For more information on the Cover Me, please continue to more of our how-to and installation videos provided with you in mind.